This training video will consist of how to customize a work order. The work order can be found in the setup forms. Go to setup, then forms. So now what we want to do is just view all the work orders for all the product types. So as you can see from the form type, go ahead and type in the word work. This will filter down the 8 work orders. Now we'll just keep the one that's active. So from here, as you can see, all the form names are started with the acronym LC. LC counter recorder, court e-filing, court filing, and so on. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and choose the service of process work order. LC service of process. As you can see, there are some boxes here, which is named form name, template, display name, display code. And we also have the product type, which is the service of process, because that's what we're going to be working on as far as the work order. And there's also other product types that you can also customize, as you can see here. Now, the form type that we're working on is the work order. And the other form types are, as you're familiar with, is the proof of service. So for this one, as stated, we'll be working the work order. Now, there are some mandatory fields as far as text boxes, as I just named these 4 text boxes here, which says that you have to enter data, as you can see here. Also, you can see that this particular work order is active because the active box is checked. If it was unchecked, it would not be active, and the old work order would be generating from whichever work order type that you have. So from here, we'll give you a little tip. If you do decide to edit a LegalConnect work order, I suggest you go ahead and click the copy button. Change the LC from your company name and use the acronym. For this example, we'll go ahead and use attorney service as a company name. So as an attorney service company, I will go ahead and use AS, remove, copy, and save it. So now you have the regular, let me filter this down for you for easier viewing. Now you have the regular attorney service work order for your company, and you still have the LegalConnect service of process, the original template. And the reason for this is just in case that someone in your company does customize it or edit it and you're not satisfied with it, you can always go back to the LegalConnect service of process work order or any other product types that we have here. So from here, we'll go ahead and click the one that we generated, the AS service of process. We'll go ahead and customize it. So once it opens up, as you can see, it similarizes the Word type, the MS Word. So you're able to, from here, edit the font size. So for example, under type, if you want to increase the font size from 10 to 12, you're able to do so. And if you decide to change the style of the text, you're also able to do that, as you can see here. Okay, you can also delete these texts and also type in any type of character that you'd like. So from here, as you can see, we also have this field. Anything that has the double carets on the side of it means that a certain data will generate on this work order. And you can also edit this. So for example, on the place by, there's a data that will generate of who, if that customer placed the order. So if you want to remove that data and you don't believe it's needed, all you do is right click and delete the field. So if you want to replace it, for example, vendor county, where your vendor is from, all you have to do is type that in as a text, place the cursor, and it's important to place the cursor wherever the cursor is where the data will generate. So from here, you go ahead and go to reports, insert the field, and we'll go ahead and put affiliate county. So when you generate this work order, the affiliates county will generate in this section. And remember, this is just an example. Okay. So once you do that and you're satisfied, you can go ahead and go down here, save it. And also what you can do is you can download this template that's customized for your company and save it to your computer. And the reason for this is just in case, like I said before, if a staff member goes in here and edits something and you weren't satisfied with it, you can go back to your PC, click the upload and replace button, choose that same file that you edited, say, a month ago, and upload it here, and it will replace what was edited as of today. So once you're happy with everything, go ahead and just save it. And you've completed your first customization of a work order. Thank you for watching this training video, and have a good day.